Yeah, good evening, guys. So now we are going to start the session. Session is which is based on unsupervised learning. Okay? So let's go with the unsupervised learning, guys. So in the previous session, when I was talk about supervised learning, so you know that there we talk about label data, right? So what is unsupervised learning, which means it is totally reverse of a supervised learning, right? So here what is happening, guys? Coming to the input data, we are having huge number of data. Okay? Chalo, we are taking certain huge number of data. Okay, different types of data we are taking, which are having huge number of data. So now here we have a certain input device, input data, right? So I was having total three different types of input. This is the x, this shape is y, this shape is z. Now if I going to calculate the x, which are having total only three, 1 2 3, these three all are x. If I go with y, here you can find out 1, coming to the y, 1 2 3 4. So total y equals to, we are getting 4, guys. If I go with z, z value are total 1 2 3 and 4, correct? So now guys, यहाँ तक आपको सिनेरियो समझ में आ गया? We are having certain data, but we don't have any name. We don't have any label, which means we are unable to predict the random data, है ना? This is input. अभी ये हमारा input है, हमको एक output होना है. In between input and output there is a machine which is called what? Model training. This model training is your machine brain. ठीक है? This machine is going to capture the input and going to give you the output prediction, doing certain prediction and getting the output or giving you the output. Yes. So now, suppose, for example, my new data is this. My new data is looking like this. What you are going to predict? This new data, it is certain A. It is not X, not Y, not Z. So first thing, it is little bit circle. So based on circle, I will going to predict. First option is X. Sorry, not X. First option is Z. Second option is Y. Why? Square shape, little bit square shape. Coming to the circle, circle is also matching. So यहाँ पे अपन को ना prediction में कुछ एक prediction होना है, but machine is getting two prediction, right? So how we are going to do? How we are going to understand about this topic? बहुत simple है, guys, है ना? Let me explain you. Now comes back to the screen. So here unlabeled data is there, right? So अपन क्या कर रहे हैं ना, unlabeled data को first of all whatever we are doing means total we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 datas are there. Out of this 9 data you can clear get the visualization. Two circles are there, okay, rectangles are 2, triangles are 2, hexagons are 3. So here we are getting the output is like rectangle 2, circle 2, hexagons are 2. What is happening? यहाँ पे अपने पास जम्बल्ड अप डेटा था, बंच ऑफ डेटा था, 100 डेटा, ओके, आफ्टर क्लैरिफिकेशन और आफ्टर क्लस्टरिंग. अब क्लस्टरिंग क्या होता है? क्लस्टरिंग क्या होता है? यहाँ पे आपको क्लस्टरिंग के बारे में जानना है. टू थिंग यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट इज अनलेबल्ड डेटा, सेकंड वन इज क्लस्टरिंग. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्लस्टरिंग? सो क्लस्टरिंग क्या करता है? दिस इज द सर्टेन 100 डेटा, machine is going to divide it into different groups. ठीक है? 20 data, 30 data, 50 data. This all 50 data are similar to each other. This all 30 data are similar to each other. This 20 data are similar to each other. So what machine is doing? Machine is getting the clustering between this data, between this all the data. क्लस्टर में क्या हो रहा है ना, हमारे पास एक बंच ऑफ डेटा है और ओपन क्या कर रहे हैं, उस डेटा को अपन अलग अलग चीज़ों में अपन डिवाइड कर दे रहे हैं. ठीक है? बहुत इसी वे में समझाना है तो सिंपल है. हम लोग मार्केट गए थे, ठीक है, एक पर्सन मार्केट गया था, मार्केट से वो क्या करा, अलग अलग वेजिटेबल्स उठा के घर लेकर आ गया. ठीक है? घर में लेकर आया एंड इन दिस हाउस व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, उसने मम्मी को वेजिटेबल्स का पूरा दे दिया, बास्केट जो भी था, वॉट एवर ही bring, he given everything to the mother, right? Now what is the role of a mother? Mother is going to do what? Mother is going to divide all the vegetables into different groups. कॉलीफ्लावर, ओके, लेडीज फिंगर, ठीक है, ग्रीन मिर्ची, और मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलते, ब्रिंजल. So what we are doing now, we are separating all the data into different basket for getting better understanding. So this is the clustering, guys. Clustering is what? Whatever the input data we are having, that input data we are doing, we are arranging it into certain groups for getting more understandable. Okay, in the previous one, in the supervised one, what we did, we are not doing any clustering directly. We are getting some data with the label data, with the label name. We are getting the testing data, whatever the unwanted data is there. Machine is predicting something relatable to it, right? जैसे cat और dog था, तो machine coming to the testing one, tiger is there. Machine is predicting tiger is a cat. ये both are similar. यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं है, guys. First, we need to give a clustering. In clustering, what is happening? The group of data is there. It is getting certain different group. जो एक group था, वो group divide हो चुका है अलग अलग group में. And now we are getting the clarification. This is cauliflower, this is brinjal, this is lady's finger, this is green mirchi, whatever are there. And now we are getting more options, and we are getting more opinions to make our machine more easily understandable. Got it? So अब समझ में आ गया clustering के बाद क्या होता है? Okay, just a minute. Okay, so बहुत सिंपल है. अनलेबल्ड डेटा में अपने पास क्या हो रहा है ना, वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ ए डेटा, है ना. मशीन उसको ट्रेन कर रहा है. मशीन उसको ट्रेन करने के बाद जो भी अनवांटेड डेटा आ रहा है, मशीन उसको एक नाम दे रहा है. अच्छा गाइस, लेट मी आस्क यू स्मॉल क्वेश्चन, जस्ट अ मिनट, है ना. सो यहाँ पे मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि बहुत सिंपल है. फर्स्ट वी पिक इनपुट डेटा, राइट. पहले हम लोग ने एक इनपुट डेटा में मैंने कुछ भी पिक किया था, राइट. सो मॉडल ट्रेनिंग में वो ट्रेन कर रहा है, ये पूरे डेटा को ट्रेन कर रहा है ना. मॉडल को ट्रेन कर रहा है, लाइक 20 डेटा, 30 डेटा, 50 डेटा, वॉट एवर. आफ्टर गेटिंग ट्रेनिंग, मशीन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स, है ना. 50 ग्रुप्स में उसने डिवाइड कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग आफ्टर गेटिंग टू क्रिएट दिस ग्रुप? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सिंपल, machine is giving certain name, है ना, like cauliflower, brinjal. So now machine is getting the name, machine is getting the label. So supervised learning में already label are there, but coming to unsupervised learning, we are making the data into label. We are giving certain name, we are giving certain identification to the data. Before it, there is no data identification, before there is no data clarification, before there is no data names. After doing lot of stuffs like clustering, grouping, बहुत सारी चीज करने के बाद, then we are going to doing, we are giving the name, we are giving the identification to the each data. Got it? So this is all about guys unsupervised learning. How unsupervised is differ from supervised learning. Okay? So in the next section, we are going to learn about reinforcement learning, which is very important and which one is very easy also. Okay? Chalo, let's catch up you all on the next day.